let me just guess that you guys are nosy and you want to know what's inside my everyday bag. And trust me, I love watching these types of videos too, and I was so excited to film this one because I have right here the trendy puffer bag. It's so cute. It's giving that girl vibes. Like, I mean, look at this outfit together right now. Also, don't mind the patch up here. It's just, we're not gonna focus on that. Also, make sure you guys subscribe before we get into this for more videos like this. First, let's talk about where this bag is from. So this is from Amazon. You guys, it's literally so affordable and such great quality. So I'll have that linked down below. They have a bunch of different colors and I just felt really drawn into the black because it is that shiny material. I love it. I'll also link a similar one that is matted out. It's not the shiny, and I also was so tempted to get that one. So like I mentioned, I think the quality is 10 out of 10. I actually was so impressed when I got this. Sometimes when you order from Amazon, I kind of get like nervous, like is it gonna come good quality? But definitely with this, it's good quality, it's sturdy, and I wouldn't say this is so heavy, but you guys will see what's inside. And it comes with 2 different strap options. So as you guys see, you just have this handheld one, or you can put it like this over your shoulder, just a smaller strap, and then you have the bigger strap. So I love that they have both options. I personally love the whole puffer design, the quilted puffer design. But now let's get into opening it. So what I love about it is it's, like I said, very durable. So it does have a button clasp here, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like a harder material here, so it keeps it secure. It's not just flimsy, so it does have some secureness. And it also has a zipper feature, which I love. Just obviously you want to make sure your purse is closed, and it's a pretty big inside. But I would say this is my favorite part, because if this was flimsy with the button, I feel like it would be kind of disastrous. So I love that they made it really stable. And as you can see here, it has one big zipper pocket, which I love. A good zip pocket, keep it separate and won't fall out. And then on the opposite side, there are 2 like open small pockets, and then everything else is just open canvas, so you can throw anything inside. And it is pretty deep, and bottom is also a good size, so you can fit quite a lot in here. And let's get started. So my purpose of this bag is, like I said, an everyday bag, whether I'm going to shoot content, whether I'm coming here to get some work done and, you know, do work with my boyfriend, or literally anywhere. If you want to take it to the gym as a little mini gym bag, take it to work, whatever the case is, it's a great multi-purpose bag. And first up, it fits my iPad, which I love, because every time I'm doing content, or even if I'm taking pictures and we go to a coffee shop to do some work, I love having my iPad because I use it for a lot of editing short videos, editing thumbnails. So it just always comes in handy. Any research, I could do a lot obviously on my iPad. It's like a mini computer, so I love that it fits my iPad, and it's also not that heavy. And the case also has my Apple Pencil holder right here, so I love that's a 2-in-1, so I don't have to carry my Apple Pencil separate. And then this is just the main pocket, by the way, too, so it obviously holds my phone, and it would hold my camera, which I love because I feel like I always struggle finding a purse that's like cute, that can like properly fit my camera without it looking awkward. And then I have also my GoPro, because I want to start vlogging more like outside with my GoPro, because it is a camera and I need to take advantage of it. And it also has like a really great wide lens, so it's also so tiny, it can fit anywhere. So I love that I can carry this. And also a charger, because like I said, in case like I'm going to a coffee shop to get some work done, or just need a charger, I feel like always having one on handy is better than not having one at all. And also a pen. This is just a Muji pen. I love Muji pens, by the way. The writing, the way it writes is just so aesthetic and sleek. And then also, like if I'm out and about, having a little snack. So lately I've been obsessed with mandarins, so I've been loving to get these from Trader Joe's, and again, fits right in the bag. I don't eat a lot of snacks, so I'm trying to, like you guys will see in another video, trying to see what snacks and stuff I can get. So we have a mandarin. Also, if you want to bring like water bottle or anything like that, you definitely could load this up, but I'm a Stanley girl now, so I guess it's a little water resistance as well, but I'm a Stanley girl now, so I just carry my Stanley with me everywhere I go. In this pocket right here, I wanted to put my keys and my little card holder, because I feel like my card holder just fits perfectly, and when I'm on the go, leaving, driving anywhere, I feel like it's just an easy access point where it's not thrown in with everything else, but it also is secure in there. And then my keys kind of just dangle on the inside. So yeah, have this obviously with me at all times. Got some pepper spray, got my car keys, and then this too is great because it can fit like a little bit of cash and obviously all my cards and stuff. That compartment is just the best. And then this little tiny slot is like pretty small, so I just throw my AirPods in there so that again these are not just thrown in and all over the bottom, and it fits perfectly in here. Now let's move on to this zipped up pocket, which as you guys probably guessed it is probably like little girly stuff that I like to carry around. So We have a scrunchie, and of course there's my hairs everywhere, but we have a little velvet scrunchie, and this is great because I like to use these so it doesn't rip out my hair, and especially if my hair is done and I'm out and about and I want to throw my hair up, at least it won't mark it as bad as like a real scrunchie would. And then I have some Purell. Gotta keep the hands clean, especially because I feel like I go out to eat pretty much a lot, like on the weekends I would say, and so it's annoying when I don't have anything to wipe my hands with, or like my boyfriend, so I got us covered. And then we have some hand cream. My hands are so dry, and no matter what, as soon as I put lotion on, I feel like my hands just absorb it, and with the temperature constantly changing, it doesn't help at all. So I have just fresh milk hand cream, and this stuff is actually really good and really hydrating. I also have the actual body cream as well. Next up, again on the topic of being dry, my lips. So I have the Lano Lips Multi-Purpose Super Balm. I could honestly probably use some of that right now. And then, as somebody who is a fellow nail like picker, I don't bite my nails, but sometimes I'll pick at it, especially if the edges are like messed up, and I do my nails myself, so this is a quick nail slice. But I have a little mini cute nail file so that I don't pick at my nails. I'm not going to say I use this all the time because sometimes I forget, and it's just a bad habit that is hard to stop. Get yourself one of these. You may or may not use it. We have a tiny little baby mascara. This is the cutest thing on the planet Earth, and I'm a mascara freak. I love trying new mascaras and having a bunch unnecessarily, but if I'm on the go, like I said, taking pictures and I want to touch anything up, like I said, it doesn't hurt to have it, and it's so tiny, it doesn't even take up a lot of space. And lastly, who walks around and doesn't have a little bit of sample of perfume or a little perfume bottle? Then you're doing something wrong, especially if you are like going to the gym. Like let's say this is your gym bag. This should also be in your gym bag, your everyday bag, whatever bag. You need a little sample perfume. Ooh. And this is just a Dossier perfume sample. And this one, oh yes, this is the Floral Peony one. And that is everything that is inside my everyday bag. Just literally everyday essentials, but also content creation, what I do for a living. And I wanted to show you guys that if you do get this bag and you have school and you want this to be your school bag or school purse, you can fit a computer in here. So for example, this is the MacBook Air. So I do have a cover for my laptop, and I can fit it in here with the cover, and it fits, right? I can't zip the bag with it in here, but it still fits it in here. And even if you don't use this, let's say you're an iPad college student, an iPad girl like myself, and maybe you don't use a computer, that's the great thing, is like you could fit your iPad and you can fit little notebooks in here, a planner. You can make it work like that. So I just wanted to show you guys. And without the case, it also still fits, and you can also fit a charger, you know what I mean? So if you have like a quick class day and you want a cute little bag, this is obviously a multi-purpose bag, like I said, and it will work for you, and it's cute. So also affordable, not like these fancy tote bags that are so expensive. So yeah, get yourself a puffer tote bag from Amazon. It's definitely worth the hype, and I'm obsessed with it. I'm going to be carrying it around, probably take an Instagram picture with it because I think it's so cute, and why not? Also, because the little zipper over here hangs out, you can just tuck it and you won't even know it's there. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what's in my everyday bag, my cute, aesthetic, trendy, that girl puffer tote bag from Amazon. Like I said, it'll be linked down below if you guys are interested. Let me know if you guys get it, or like what color you get, and let me know what are your essentials in your bag and what you would use this for. Would you use it for school, the gym, work? Whatever the case is, let me know down below in the comments, and make sure you subscribe, like, share my channel, and I'm so excited to see you in the next vlog.